pretty thick.
Yeah. The show debut.
It is the show debut, and apparently they've sold 3 of them already. And General RV has 2 left. For now, anyway. For now.
Yeah.
But it is a European design, as you can see.
Yep.
But it's supposed to have the creature comforts of what we Americans are spoiled and like. And it is the Coachman Euro 25 EU. So let's go check it out.
Huh. The guy just got a really nice paint job on it. It's all base coat, clear coat. They actually put the letters under the clear, so that's nice. Really nice job. Very nice looking unit. With a slide over here. Slide topper. Hello.
27.9.
Nice. Very
Do-si-do.
European.
Yeah, if you want to look.
Yes, so you have the pop-outs.
Really, that's cool.
This has a table that comes out. Just kind of keep them warm.
Oh, I don't blame you.
This has a table comes out. You can play cards. You can eat.
Very nice.
Yep.
Very cool. Yeah, that's nice.
I like the pop-outs. So you have some hanging space, and then I would make that a pantry space. But you have a choice of getting a washer dryer or dishwasher, right? I think I would stay with the dishwasher because I'd just as soon go and do my laundry elsewhere all at one time.
It does come standard with solar, but you can upgrade. I think the one and only upgrade he said was lithium.
Okay.
And it comes with full body paint standard.
Right.
A lot of the stuff you see is all standard.
Yeah, this is your bathroom. I don't know if it passed the Scotty test or not.
Very nice. Let's check it out.
Yeah,
See if it does.
check it out. And we're just trying to, it's busy in here, so we're not going to spend a lot of time doing it.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's
tight.
It's still tight side to
It's
side.
tight, but it's doable. But it's like
taking a shower on the side, so
but
yeah.
this is one of the motorhomes you're going to be able to fit pretty much anywhere.
For me, I'm gonna say no, but
For the average person
for the average height person,
that
yeah,
isn't
it'd be
6'4".
Yeah.
All right, and then your bed is in the slide too.
Very cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't hate it. I just think the shower for me would not be very convenient.
I mean, if you're looking for something small that's not a Class B plus,
Right.
it's not a Class C.
Yeah.
This is really not a bad option, honestly.
Do the trick. All right. See you on the road.
All right, so if you like the video you saw today,
Give us a thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up, yes, and please subscribe to the channel. So we do videos like lifestyle videos and repair videos and review videos we're going to be doing, and for products and different things like that. So
And actually, for that,
we have
a new website.
a new website called romersrvgear.com. Please check out that website. You can go on there. I do articles. Sometimes I'll have a video in there too that we did in the article. And there'll be clickable links that you can actually buy the products from the people that
we bought from.
It actually helps us out. It doesn't cost you any more money. Matter of fact, you save money sometimes by clicking on those links. And yeah, that would be really great if you could check that out for us.
And the last thing is click the bell to get notifications. So when we have more videos that come out, you'll get notified.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
You're funny.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.